In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira account, a task that can be completed in just a few simple steps. Jira is a powerful and widely used tool for project management and issue tracking, and it's used by teams all around the world to stay organized and productive. If you're completely new to Jira, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you can set up your account effortlessly and start exploring everything Jira has to offer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Jira website. The easiest way is to type in jira.com in your address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see different options for getting started. On the homepage, you'll find several ways to create your account. You can sign up using your work email, or you can choose a faster option by using your Google account or Microsoft account. These options are designed to make the process quick and convenient, especially if you already use those services. If you decide to sign up using your email, simply enter your email address and follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to verify your email, create a password, and enter some basic information. If you choose Google or Microsoft, just click on the option, log into your account, and grant the required permissions. Once you do that, you'll be automatically redirected back to Jira to complete the setup. This method is usually faster and requires fewer steps. After completing the sign-up process, congratulations, your account is now ready. You'll be taken directly to the Jira dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can create projects, manage tasks, track issues, and collaborate with your team. Now, one important thing to know is that Jira offers a free trial, typically for 30 days. During this period, you can access most features without paying anything. This gives you a great opportunity to explore the platform, test different tools, and understand how Jira fits into your workflow. Take advantage of this trial period by trying out features like creating projects, adding tasks, assigning work, and tracking progress. This hands-on experience will help you decide whether Jira meets your needs before choosing a paid plan. After the trial ends, Jira may ask you to select a subscription plan. At that point, you can decide whether to continue with a paid version or explore other options based on your usage. And that's it. Creating a Jira account is quick, simple, and doesn't require any technical skills. Whether you're an individual looking to organize your tasks or part of a team aiming to improve project management, getting started with Jira is a smart step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.